So you can see I've added on some paper armor template to give me an idea on how to proportion the armor. Because it's cardstock, it's actually starting to get kind of soggy because, you know, it's winter and there's a lot of precipitation. But I will be doing a build video on the new arm mechanism, because you can see my arm is now not in the arm of the armor whatsoever. I'm also designing the armor somewhat after the Yggdrasil from the Halo Legends of Prototype short, just because it's pretty cool. We'll go around back. There's the door, which I didn't glue together, so some of it kind of fell off. We can go inside the armor and see. Here's the power panel. I'm still working on positioning it better. And here's the arm control right down there in the chest. So when you're inside of it, you put your head up through here. You put your arms out in each of these holes. And these two side clamps move in and keep your torso in place. Well, this is a simple mechanism, just a bunch of push buttons inside of a box. So when you move the joystick around, it pushes the buttons, moving the arm around. Pretty simple. And right there's the battery, right on the backpack. So it's easy to access. So I'm going to be putting out these sort of bloggy-type vids, just to let you know that I'm not dead. And for the new year, I'm going to be trying to make my stuff a little more professional, which probably means edited videos, not out as often, but you know, hopefully that would draw more of an audience. And I'll still be doing the small bloggy videos like this one. Just to let you know I'm not dead, give you a sneak peek of what's going on, and all that sort of thing. So, if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe. Share it with others. And if they don't find you handsome, they should at least find you handy. Bye-bye.